Good morning, good morning, good morning. Our days are numbered, ladies and gentlemen. The end of the school year is fast approaching. I think we have 4 days left, including today. So that's 4 catch-up days. Today is Friday, May 22nd, and it is a C day. We only have C days for the remainder of the school year, and we should not be receiving new instruction or new tasks. Right now is the time when we're getting everything caught up and turned into your teachers. They will be posting grades, and the last day to turn in schoolwork is the last day of school because the district will turn off Infinite Campus on June 1st. So there is a huge sense of urgency. Get your stuff turned in. But the biggest thing is, guys, don't freak out. Like, don't lose your mind. Don't beat yourself up. Do your best. That's all I need from you is you do your best. Give me a good faith effort. Work as hard as you can. Get it done, and we will be just fine. Stick together, rally around each other. I want to talk about senior send-off at the horse park. It's going to take place Thursday, May 28th. It's going to take place at 5:15 p.m. You're going to come to the horse park and you're going to drive a 3-mile course, and you're going to see a reverse parade type scenario where your teachers and your staff members and folks from Douglas are going to be there sending you off and waving you off. You're allowed to decorate your car. You're not allowed to bring balloons. You're allowed to have one graduate per car unless there's multiple graduates in that family. We do not have the jurisdiction and control of that event. The horse park will be running their own security, so I can't help you if you don't follow the protocols that were mailed to you yesterday by the high school office in Fayette County Public Schools. So please do a good job for senior send-off. It's actually, the date is incorrect there. It's actually the 28th, for Thursday, May 28th is the date for us at 5:15 p.m. So we'll get that fixed in the next few announcements. The last thing I want to share with you this morning is, what's the point? Why are we doing all this? Why are we staying home? Why did we stop going to school? Why did some of the kids miss out on the tail end of their senior year? Right? Why are the health public officials and the leaders in our country shutting down everything? And I think it boils down to, because I know that you understand social distancing, and I know that you understand washing your hands and being healthy and living a healthy lifestyle and healthy at home and all that. I know you get that, but I think what I want to relay to you this morning is the concept or the notion of avoidable deaths, right? Because herd immunity is a thing, right? Just let everybody get sick, and whoever makes it, and that's an immunity, a way to be immune. But what we want to, the approach that we've taken as a nation, and really a lot of nations in this planet, is to focus on avoidable deaths. If everybody gets sick at the same time, you've heard how flattening the curve is a better scenario. If everybody gets sick at the same time, we don't have enough hospitals, we don't have enough hospital beds, we don't have enough nurses, we don't have enough doctors. So a lot of folks that could receive treatment and could make it and get healthy will not have access to those services. And that would be an avoidable death. Not to mention, accidents happen, strokes happen, heart attacks happen, and these folks need care as well. But if our healthcare system is overwhelmed and overrun by everybody getting sick at the same time, then they don't get care either, right? So I think what you are doing right now is you are allowing folks to receive care by participating in social distancing and being healthy at home and avoiding avoidable deaths. That's all the announcements I have for you today. I'm Lester Diaz. It is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.